Value-based questions. Directorate of Education, Government of NCT of Delhi additional support material on value-based questions for the session 2012-2013. चाहे किसी भी सेशन के लिए दे रहे हो, वैल्यू बेस्ड क्वेश्चंस की टाइप देख लेना बच्चों के लिए अच्छा रहता है. आप उन्हें तैयार करें क्योंकि आजकल इन पर बहुत एम्फेसिस दिया जाने लगा है. सब्जेक्ट है साइंस, क्लास 10th, अंडर द गाइडेंस ऑफ डॉक्टर सुनीता एस कौशिक, कोऑर्डिनेशन बाय मिस्टर राजपाल शेरावत, प्रिंसिपल RPBB सेक्टर 11 रोहिणी दिल्ली. Value based questions. Chapter 1, Chemical Reactions and Equations. Why parents are advised to discourage their children to eat chips and junk food. Acid, bases and salts. Brushing our teeth twice a day is a well-known saying. Justify this statement. Farmers are using a large number of pesticides and fertilizers in their fields to increase crop production and to enhance their profits. But by doing so, they are causing damage to the soil as well as to the environment. Do you agree with this statement? Why should we avoid eating fruits and vegetables without washing them properly? Metals and non-metals. Gold is a very precious metal. Pure gold is very soft. It is therefore not suitable for making jewelry. It is alloyed with either silver or copper to make it hard. But sometimes jewelers mix a large quantity of copper and silver in gold to earn more profit. Question: what precautions should you take while purchasing gold jewelry? Why does government insist on purchasing hallmarked jewelry? Corrosion is a serious problem. Every year, an enormous amount of money is spent to replace damaged iron. What steps can be taken to prevent this damage? Mercury is the only metal found in the liquid state. It is largely used in thermometers to measure the temperature, but mercury is a very dangerous metal as its density is very high. What 2 precautions you would take while handling the equipments containing mercury? Carbon and its compounds. Mrs. Anita observed that her cooking utensils are becoming black in color and the flames of her gas stove is yellowish in color. What can be the reason for this sooty flame? How is this problem harmful for our environment? What steps should be taken to stop this process? Ethanol is used on a large scale at commercial level. This is a very useful chemical. It is commonly called alcohol and is the active ingredient of alcoholic drink. But consumption of alcohol also causes drunkenness and this practice is socially condemned. As a responsible student of class 10th, what steps you would take to discourage the use of alcohol? You must have seen advertisements stating that some vegetable oils are healthy. Saturated fatty acids which are said to be harmful for health. Why vegetable oils are considered healthy, then saturated fatty acids key. What precaution you would take in selecting a cooking oil? Periodic classification of elements. Riya and Rama are students of class 10th. Riya is very much organized and maintained. The teachers love her. She earns a great respect in the class, whereas Rama is an unorganized and always faces a lot of problems in handling life situation. In your opinion, how organizations help in daily life? How can you relate the above fact with the chapter classification of elements? How classification of elements help us in studying them properly? Adulteration is becoming a very serious problem of our society. The study reveals that more people die because of food adulteration rather than hunger. Shopkeepers mix harmful chemicals and things in food items to earn more profit, which may even lead to deaths. Being a responsible citizen, how can you fight against adulteration? Give an example of food adulteration. How will you test about the adulteration in this food item? Life processes. Eating junk food results in several health problems, including obesity and heart problems. Still, lot of children prefers to eat junk food. What suggestion you will give to avoid eating junk food? Regular physical exercise for 45 minutes is advisable for normal functioning of human body. Comment upon the advantages of this statement, practice in daily life. Rahul wants to build up his body very quickly without following right exercise regime and balanced diet. Instead, he started eating ready-made food supplements. In your opinion, was the step taken by Rahul is right? Justify your answer. What are the harmful effects of taking artificial health supplement without consulting a physician? Om, Rohit and Kishore always remains in a hurry. One day, during lunch hour, they all quickly gulped food and went out to play. Om suddenly developed stomach ache while playing. What according to you might have gone wrong with him? Meena, who is studying in class 10, gets tired very soon and her skin color is turning pale. Her hemoglobin content in the blood is also low. She is really confused about this situation. Which disease is she suffering from? What kind of diet should she take to overcome this problem? Sohan went to his town, Agra, 200 km away from Delhi, with his father in a car. On the way, there was lot of traffic jam. Sohan, while reaching his town, felt nausea and headache. He had inhaled lots of toxic polluted gases. Which system part of his body gets affected? What steps could be taken to reduce air pollution? Mayank's father never bothered to check the brand content of the salt he had purchased from the market. Mayank noticed that her sister had developed swollen neck. The doctor advised her to eat iodized salt. Name the disease from which Mayank's sister suffered. Why the doctor has advised her to eat iodized salt? Injections are given to the cattle for the production of milk. Do you think it is a right practice? What harm in this practice causing us?